Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So a few days ago I put out a video and I had the idea of putting together some videos where you guys show your special coins or notes or anything you think will have interest for the viewers. So the idea was to allow you guys to come up with say a minute or a 90-second video and show details about your coin and send them through. So we've worked out Daryl Jones, one of the viewers, and he's also on the Facebook site, was able to help me along, and we've come up with a way that this can be done. But before we get into that, I just want to give a couple of shout outs, okay? So as you know, I have begun metal detecting this year, or in the past year, and there's a couple of channels that I enjoy watching. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a look at a couple of the channels that I like to watch, and the first one is Famo59. Is a South Australian bloke, Tony. He really is he's a great character actually, and very enjoyable to watch, and he does a lot of metal detecting, gold fossicking and that kind of stuff, bit of prospecting, and he does also do some coin related stuff as well. But certainly it's about the hunt, and that's why I enjoy watching this particular channel. And so yeah, check out Famo59, and I'll put a link in the description of this video to his channel. And the second one is also a metal detecting one, and that's Aussie Alchemist, also a great channel, and I've really enjoyed his videos. And Aussie seems to find a lot of coins and memorabilia and bits and pieces, that relics from history and those kind of things. He goes down the beach and goes in different parks and bits and pieces like that, and special sort of spots in Queensland. And if you watch his most recent video, which is actually a part 1 video, part 2 will come out soon, no doubt. It's well worth watching. Plenty of coins to be found, and you'll enjoy the hunt along with Aussie. So we've got a bit of a challenge for you guys. He's currently at 723 subscribers. Let's help him get to 1,000. It's a bit of a milestone every channel wants to get to, so I reckon PJ's Coin Capers viewers can certainly help him out there and push him along and get him up to 1,000 subscribers. Alright, so let's get back to what we're chatting about today. So basically the point is to put together, say if 10 of you put together a 1 minute or a minute and a half video, I'll edit and put them together and put them out as one video. And as I said, I produce a video every now and then called Look What I Found, which has been very popular across the channel, and I enjoy doing those ones. And it's a bit of a summary of what I find over a week or so as I do my coin roll hunting and those kind of things. But this particular series will be called Look What You Found. So we might have, say, 10 of you, if we can get 10 of you together, who will be prepared to submit a video. I'll sew them all together and we will put them out as one video. And you can submit as many videos as you want. They may not all make it into the same video, but if you've got some stuff that's interesting that you'd like to show others, and certainly others will be able to enjoy your coins, well then please make a submission. So how do we go about that? So with the help of Daryl Jones, he has found a site called WeTransfer. Now you don't have to sign up for this. This is a great thing, and we've tried to keep it simple. Okay, make it as easy as possible. So basically, if you're, say, filming on your phone, you can use your phone to access this website. You put in my email address and your email address, and you might write a little message just telling me what the video is about, and you can add your files via this plus symbol here. We will go into the details. I've written up a list of stuff just to help you along as to what to try and put into your video, but we'll just cover the WeTransfer site at the moment. It also works on your mobile, so you can log in, say through Google, and look up WeTransfer.com, and you can directly upload your file from your phone. Alright, so I've written up a bit of a list on some guidelines for the videos. So, as I've said, please keep videos to a max of 90 seconds. Now tell us about the coin or note. What is special? Did you find it or buy it? If found, what part of the country did you find it? Any other information to help describe the coin will be certainly beneficial. So show the coin close up and rotate to show both sides or point out the error. So if it's an error coin, let us know what the error is and what you know about it. Make sure the video is in focus and steady. Nothing worse than watching videos that are shaking around. I know I get sick if I watch those kind of videos, so keep your hand steady. If you need someone else to hold the camera or the phone, do that. And yeah, make sure it's in focus before submitting it. Please, no music in the background, so if you've got the radio playing and that kind of thing, turn it off. No product placements. We just want to really just focus on the coins. Probably shouldn't have to say this, but I will. But no swearing or bad language. Let's keep it family friendly, and make sure you have fun with it. Okay, so that's important. Don't be shy. You know, have some fun. All right, so submit videos through WeTransfer.com, email to email. So you can transfer up to 2 gigabytes of data. Your videos shouldn't be anywhere near that. You're not, with 1.5 minutes or so, you're not going to be anywhere near that kind of size of file. So there's my email address at the bottom there, pjbest76@gmail.com, and I look forward to receiving your videos. Alright guys, so hope that explains it all. Please, if you've got any comments or any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. I will put some of this detail also in the description of the video, just for you to check, so you don't have to necessarily go into the video and check again. But look, I look forward to putting it together, and I'll try and notify each of you if I can when the video with your content is going to go up. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.